the change sweep across the rent, stirring the hearts of those who stand. Together we rise, together we fall, united in purpose, answering the call. From ashes new beginnings bloom, breaking the chains of fear and gloom. The future is ours if we dare to try to build a world where dreams don't die. Hold fast to hope, though skies may agree. The storm will pass, the dawn will stay. So raise your voice, let courage ring, let hope ignite, like birds that sing. The winds of change are blowing strong, carry us forward where we belong. Through valleys low and mountains high, we march as one beneath the sky. Each step we take brings us over near. No force can break the always pair. Together we'll heal, together we'll mend, until the circle starts again. So raise your voice, let courage ring, let hope ignite, like birds that sing. The winds of change are blowing strong. Though shadows loom and doubts may arise, look to the light in others' eyes. We're strong